Got you back, coming out of Lorne now. Great Ocean Parade coming out of Lorne. Here we go, weaving our way out. And look at that. Whoa, look at that. Hey, hey, no words required. Whoa, look at that stretch. Whoa. Look at that open road, eh? I'm telling you, Europeans, eat your heart out, mate. Eat your heart out. Far out. How many times you heard me say that, eh? Victoria is the place to pick, mate. Victoria. Gee, they should pay me to do slogans. Victoria. Victoria, the place to pick. Nice. What time is it? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Gee, we stopped for a bit there in Lorne. It was worth it though. Nice place. And now we're doing the trek home. Probably get home about 8, I reckon. Well, my place, yeah. My place a bit earlier. But to the nesting place of Thee Who behind me, a bit longer. Not so quick. Gee, these cars are travelling quick. Well, they travel quick when they can, and then when they can't, they travel slow, and there's nowhere else to go. It's like seeing a bunch of snails crawling arse to arse. It's like, why would a snail crawl arse to arse with another snail? I mean, there's no drag benefit out of it, is there? It's not like being on a snail's arse gives you more drag coefficient. Less drag coefficient. I don't know which way to say that. Not even sure what I'm saying, but you know what I mean. Wind drag. Coefficient. I don't think coefficient's got anything to do with it. Wind drag. You know? Yeah, wind drag. There's no wind drag benefit. So space it out, mate, so I can get in there, you know? Just take it easy. Anyway, peak hour, so I'm sure everyone's wanting to get home or something or other. Well, let's get around one of the cars. There you go. One car. And let's get around the next car. And then let's get around the next car. And then the next car. And that's all you need to do. It's just one by one. Knock them out. And that car should have pulled over because he's going really slow, and now I just got to get around the next car. Tactics, you see. No, can't see, not going. Geez, hitting the brakes, must be Asian. Remember this? Remember my philosophy, well, not philosophy, it's just stats. just what the stats are. Oh, don't go swerving around the road, just stay there, I'll take care of it, it's alright, don't panic. Oh, now you're moving to the middle of it, far out. Just give me some space, mate, you know, back out. Like, don't get on the tail, because you're not going anywhere. Let me get on the tail. See? There you go. Now you guys stick it out, work it out yourself. Me out of here. Now you see, that's why I'd never be seen in a carriage. I just can't do carriages, especially on these kinds of roads. Forget it. Not doing carriages. Yeah, back in 1434, I think it was, I was a knight in leather armour, not in shining armour. I don't think that was my thing. And I don't think my queen was that rich either. She was just a country queen. You know what I mean? She wasn't like Queen of London or something. She was a queen of a district or something, a smaller district. And we had leather armour with metal plates in the leather. You know that red leather and metal plates inserted in the leather. And the metal plates are inserted in bits and pieces, so you can still flex and move about, but most of your body is protected by plates of armour. So if a sword comes to you, there's a good chance the armour will stop it. Sometimes it doesn't stop it, like if someone, that's why people go for the jabs, right? Because when they go for the jab, they're hoping they can miss the plate and get between a plate and stab you right through. That's why they go for the jab and not the slice. The slice, when you slice with a sword, you're likely to not get between the plates, and you're likely to hit a plate unless you're very accurate with your slice and get it along the stitching, you know what I mean? Otherwise, no, you want to do the jab. So yeah, I had this plate, leather armour with metal plates, and I distinctly remember back then that I'm not doing carriages. Carriages is what queens ride in and what knights protect when queens ride in carriages. And when there's an ambush, I don't care how rich your queen is, fuck, I'm out of there. I mean, I beg your pardon, family show. I mean, I'll demonstrate to my queen the best I can that I'm protecting her, but if it gets too hard, I'll just pretend it's too hard, and that I got taken by the enemy or something and vanish into the woods, you know. And then I'll come back and say, hey, how did you go with that ambush, queen? If she makes it back. If she doesn't make it back and gets hostage, well, she gets hostage, she's got to pay the ransom, a bit more money off the royalty chest, that's fine, you know. Main thing is look after number one, make sure you survive. But I distinctly remember back then, I ain't doing carriages, because carriages, dangerous. I mean, you get ambushed in the carriage, you can't manoeuvre like on a stallion. I definitely enjoyed my black stallion back then. Not sure I had a black stallion all the time. I've got a black stallion now. I might have had a red stallion or a brown stallion, but definitely some kind of stallion, because carriages was definitely not the way to go. Ambush. At least on a stallion, the enemy comes your way or you get ambushed, you can take off quickly and manoeuvre. Carriages, you're going to get ambushed. Yeah, you're gone. Yeah, that's why, and I think that's why even today I've still got that mindset. Nah, not doing carriages. You get ambushed. You know, peak hour traffic, ambushed. You go on a holiday like this, there's some kind of road problem, ambushed. You're stuck. You know, you're at the mercy of others. It's crap. I'm not going to be at the mercy of others. That's the thing with riding a stallion. You're never at the mercy of others. Oh, here we are. We better take a picture of this Great Ocean Road sign, eh? For the partner at the back. Alright, let's go here. No, not yet. Let's do it here. Oh no, let's turn into there. Yeah, turn into there. Get the Great Ocean Road picture. There we go. Yeah, that's the one. Just
Yes,
stay there. Alright, I'll bring you back when I'm finished. No, hang on. No, I'll keep the camera on. I might like this. Keep the camera on. Get my camera out. Alright, so get her on the stallion. Alright, on 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright, and now the other way. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright, let's do portrait mode. This bloody phone's awesome, I tell you. Look at this portrait mode. It's got to catch her face. 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright. Now, let's see if I can get a bit more of this. Oh, there you go. Good. And let's get the road. Alright. You always got to do that when you come over here. It's part of the show.
It's not working again.
Sorry?
My music is not working again.
Oh, bugger. We got music problems. When you got music problems, you got to fix them. Otherwise, you have a passenger with attitude. You don't want that.
It does.
It's on?
Oh, I just press some button.
Oh,
You go there, take a picture for you.
oh. Now my picture. Okay. There you go. You done? Closer? Oh, of course. Alright. Let's head off.
Yeah, it does.
Cool. Did you try and press start here? There.
I press some other buttons by my
Alright.
oops, not me here.
Cool. There you go.
Thank you. Do I need to get off?
No. Gloves back on. No, you don't need to get off. Watch me skillet. Okay, back on the horse. And bounce it up. Alright. Roll it back. Clutch in. Clutch in. Let it roll. Power on. Spin around. And here we go. Here we go. Alright. And all clear there. All clear there. Good. There you go. Now you got to do that on the gradation mode. When you get to that sign, you've got to take a picture. Now I've done it before, but I haven't done it with Cindy. Can you take a picture with me? Yes, Cindy. Look at those sky gliders in the sky. Can you see them? They're gliding. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but look, they're flying in the air. Freaking hell, eh? Flying in the air. Oh, wow. Alright, I'll bring you back for some other amusement, eh?